First, choose the citrus fruit you want to work with. I'm using a lime today. With your knife, cut off the base of the lime and the head of it, making it flat. It will give you support to peel it. Now with your lime in your vertical, you're going to remove all the skin and the pith from it, just like I'm doing. Expose that nice, healthy green flesh from the lime. Now to remove the suprême, which is how the lemon sections are called, you're gonna watch where the membranes are. See this white line? Insert your knife right next to it, just like this, in one incision. And then another one on the inside part of the next membrane. Your knife's supposed to make an angle like a V. V as vegetarian. Vegetarians who loves limes, I guess. Keep repeating this process until you remove all the suprêmes from your citrus. And the white bitter pith is left behind. Ta-da! There's still a little juice left here that you can squeeze over your suprêmes. And here you have the refined part of the citrus